Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Taste of Home. In today's video I'll be sharing how much it costs to get the entire set of our slaughtering equipment, from the corn to the deplackering and the boiler itself. I do have some papers and the receipts, so it's definitely information that we kept and would love to share with everyone. So number one, where we got the whole slaughtering set, we bought it from a place called FRD Poultry Farming Equipment. So it's FRD Poultry Farming Equipment. I just wanted to be sure that I'm getting it correctly. It's a very long name, but that's where we got all our slaughtering equipment. The shop is quite a very big place. I think they've got several branches. I only know in Joburg, that's where we found all our equipment. We found the company on TikTok. When I was just scrolling through TikTok, that's when I found their advert there and we decided to go there. When we went there, they were running a promotion where you get the whole set at a discount. So if you're going to go there and trying to get individually, like the cones separately or the deplackering machine separately, the prices might differ. So it might be wise to go there when they're running a promotion. And then but yeah, in overall it's quite a very nice place. It's a very big place. It's like a warehouse. There's staff that will walk around with you. They'll show you all their equipments that they're selling. They mainly focus on farming. They had deplackering machines. Some were in very big sizes. Our size that we got is very small. That was the smallest that we had, that they had actually, and it takes in 5 birds at a time. For us, we are still starting from a small scale, so we thought that that was going to fit our setup. So yeah, so we ended up taking the small size, but they do have very big deplackering sizes. Some they take up to 10 to 15, so it all depends, but the best thing is to just go in the shop and there will be people who will explain to you further. And then they did have a lot of equipment for chickens, like feeders. They also had cages, the chicken cage, especially for layers. So they do have that also, and they've got them in different sizes. So it will all depend how big the cages they have in store at the time. I think the maximum that they had for layers was like 128 chickens inside the cage. I will try to show you the clips that we did take. And then they also have cages for rabbits. Again, they have quite a variety of things. Especially if you're into farming, you will definitely find something that you will like. And then what else did I leave? So they do other than cages and slaughtering things for chickens, so they do have machines for mixing feed. So if you're somebody who wants to mix their own feed, I mean, if you're somebody who's thinking big, it's worth going to the shop to check on what you can get and what suits your business need. Going straight to the point of how much we got our slaughtering equipment. So altogether, the set actually, which was on promotion, it was 2 cones, 1 boiler, and also the deplackering machine. So it was 3 things. And this set, at the time when we bought it, it cost 8,500. That is how much it cost. I will try to convert it into US dollars. It's probably around maybe 400 US dollars. So it is quite a very big investment. It's if you're somebody who's starting, it's probably not really something that you'd want to spend a lot of money on, but it will save you time on processing your chickens. But sometimes it all depends with your business plan. Sometimes you might find out that hiring people to do the whole process of slaughtering, defeathering, and also packaging the chickens, it might be worth it just hiring people other than buying this equipment. So it's all about preferences, but for this video I thought I should share all the costs of how much we bought that set. But again, like I said, the prices do differ if you are buying it separately. I think the depulkering machine on its own, it cost like 6,500, or I think it was more. So we ended up noticing that it might be worth it just taking the whole entire set, because it will come with everything and we don't need to worry about trying to find the urn, trying to find the cones, or just to save us time. And so yeah, basically this is our receipt. And yeah, of course we did add just a few things, because I mean, if you go there, you will find a lot of things. You will find so many things that will interest you, and yeah, you will kind of like go on a shopping spree, picking up on feeders, waterers, and so forth and so forth. But anyway, this is just it about the slaughtering equipment. I just thought I should share this in the event that you're also thinking, or you were wondering how much it did cost, how much it might cost you to set this up. Just work with your business plan. And yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I have in this video. I will definitely make another separate video to show you the cost of raising broiler chickens and selling them on the market, and how much you will how much profit you will get. I think that's another very big question, or a lot of people think about when they think about doing broiler chickens. I'll also share to you how much you will need for you to get at least a profit margin that's reasonable. I will release a video showing you a detailed business plan and the profits that you'll make, and how much you'll make for you to have a comfortable life running a broiler chicken business. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. And if you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.